Stream ecology, a dive into nature's waterways. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic, stream ecology. It's not just about rivers and fish, it's a whole world of interactions in nature. So, let's dive in and understand what makes stream ecology so interesting. Stream ecology is the study of ecosystems in rivers and streams. These ecosystems are dynamic and full of life, where water, plants, animals, and microorganisms interact. In this section, we'll explore the basics of these ecosystems, understanding how they work and why they are important for our planet. Streams are more than just flowing water. They consist of various components like water quality, aquatic life, and riparian zones, the areas along the banks. Each part plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of the stream. We'll look at how these components work together to create a balanced ecosystem. Streams are crucial for the environment. They provide habitats for wildlife, support biodiversity, and help in nutrient cycling. They also have a significant impact on the quality of our water resources. In this section, we'll discuss the ecological services provided by streams and why protecting them is vital. Unfortunately, stream ecosystems face many challenges, such as pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change. These issues can disrupt the delicate balance of stream ecology, leading to long-term environmental problems. We'll explore these challenges and what can be done to mitigate them. That's all for our journey into stream ecology. We hope this video has given you a deeper appreciation for these vital ecosystems and the complex interactions that occur within them. Remember, every stream plays a crucial role in the health of our planet. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next English learning adventure.